2% daily profit trading gold is possible. In this video, I will share with you my 1-minute scalping strategy that will allow you to trade just 2 hours every day, and making profit is 90% possible. Without further ado, let me take you to the schematic diagram where I explain things in detail before we move into the live example. So how does this strategy work? You need lower time frame, just 5 minutes opening candle every 9:30 a.m. New York time. So the first thing you need to do for yourself as someone who is staying in another country is just to change your time zone to New York. Once you change your time zone to New York, your higher time frame will be 5 minutes time frame. Once it's 9:30 a.m. New York time, after the closure of 9:30 a.m. candle, you mark out your highs and low. So let's assume this is 9:30 a.m. New York time on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. You mark out the high and low. Move down to 1 minute time frame to look for breakout with displacement. As we have marked out our highs and low, we now change our time frame to what? To 1 minute time frame. This 5 minutes candle, this is the representation of it in 1 minute time frame. We'll be looking for breakout with good displacement on either side, high or the low of the 5 minutes 9:30 opening candle. So in physics, we are meant to know that displacement is distance traveled in a specific direction. So now bringing it down to trading, that displacement I mentioned here is like a fair value gap. Once you see 3 to 4 candle moving with high pressure, either side maybe high or low, that shows you that the pressure is on the buying side. So now this is what we'll be looking for when we move down to 1 minute time frame. We want to see this type of representation of candle formations. That is when you see 1, 2, 3 candle printing big bullish candle. So once you have that, you have confirmed that this break can hold this price not to come back inside this range. Then you look for entry. Then you wait for price to retrace back into this 5 minutes opening candle. Do you understand? So your entry will be once the price pull back on the retest of that opening of 5 minutes candle, you find pin bar or engulfing bar. That's just my entry model. Once it's 11 o'clock a.m. New York time, if those things we explained did not happen or you did not find good entry, you close for the day. That's what you'll be repeating from Monday to Friday. Trust me, this is very good profitable strategy. So if you don't understand it very well, but we move into the live example, you will understand it better. You can take a screenshot of this and study it later. So now let me take you into the live example. So before I forgot, likewise, if price break below the 5 minutes opening candle, you find displacement. Wait for retest on the closure of the opening 5 minutes candle. Look for pin bar or engulfing bar. Anyone that is available, use it as your entry. Now let's move into a live example for you to see how powerful this strategy is. Okay, here is our first example. Remember what I said? Check your time always. It's in New York and your higher time frame, we're in 5 minutes time frame. What next? 9:30, 5 minutes opening candle. That's what we'll be looking for now. We saw 9:30. Here is 9:30 opening candle. You need to take it out. So look down below. You can see it 9:30 a.m. This happens on Monday, 29 July 2024. Recent example on gold. As the 9:30 candle closes, we mark out our high. This is high. So these are high and these are low. We move down to 1 minute time frame to look for breakout with displacement. It's very simple, guys. Just follow the instruction. It will be profitable. Okay. You can see this is a very nice move. If it continues this way, we call it a displacement. It doesn't move back inside the range. We still keep hoping for good breakout with displacement. Okay, we have 3 consecutive candle moving down. We still have anyone? Beautiful. Another one, beautiful. It moved back inside the range. So let's keep waiting for more breakout on either side with good displacement. That's what we'll be waiting for. Okay, we have another breakout with good displacement. Beautiful. This is very nice move. Do you see what I mean by breakout with good displacement? You can see the series of bearish candles showing you that the selling pressure is on. This happens in a Q zone. So anything that happens here, the information is correct because markets will not waste any time to leave you. So for that reason, we have identified the direction of the market. So this displacement is very good one. You see the series of bearish candle representing the momentum of selling pressure. The only thing we're waiting for now is pullback to retest the opening of 5 minutes candle, and we find engulfing bar or pin bar, then we take our entry. So let's see how we have. And I want to remind you something before I forgot. Anytime you have good displacement and the market leaves you far away from this zone, like market leaves you far away from this zone, keep pushing up. Don't trade that. It's not a valid setup for the day. It will be at least average range of what you're doing. Do you understand? So we're still looking. This is still valid because markets haven't moved much away from the 5 minutes opening candle. So let's keep running. Beautiful. You can see what happened here. We have very nice, beautiful engulfing bar. This will take us to the trade. Where do you set your stop loss? If you want to be conservative enough, you set above here. But if you are aggressive trader like me who would like to have tighter stop loss, you set it above here. So we're entering the trade now. Going short. This takes us to entry. This engulfing bar. Just give a few pips for spread and you target your 1:2. Or if you want to target more, you look left, look for nearest low or high that is reasonable for market to bounce off from. This is daily low. I can target this zone as my target for the day. If I target here, I have 4.4 risk to reward. So let's see how the price will play out if we catch the trade or not. Beautiful. Beautiful. The trade is won. Remember what I said. Very good breakout with displacement. Find a retest on the opening or close of the 5 minutes candle. Engulfing bar will take you in, or pin bar will take you in. So let's look for more example. So here is another example. This is Wednesday, 24th July. We're 9:30, 5 minutes opening candle. We mark out our highs and low. This is the high of the 5 minutes and this is the low. Then we'll move down to 1 minute time frame to find the breakout with good displacement. So as on 1 minute time frame, we're looking for breakout with good displacement. You see, we have very nice put. This is the type of displacement I want to see every time. You understand? I need to see a clear indication that the pressure is on. I hope this is clear. So I have very good displacement. The only thing I'm waiting for the market to drop back to this zone to retest this very high. So let's see if we have a push down to the 5 minutes opening. Beautiful. Let's look for entry. You can see what happens here. Pay very good attention. It's numerous occasions you will see this type of candle dropping back into the zone. This price action indication is not good for you to just use this as an entry. You must be conservative because this pressure, this candlestick pressure is very high. This zone might not hold it. This 5 minutes opening candle may not hold it. So you wait for another candlestick to close to show you clear indication that we are strong enough to close the whole volatility sitting in this very candle. Do you understand? So now let me wait for another candle. Beautiful. You see, I have very good candle closing above. It may not close above in your own side, whenever you're trading, but at least once you have such big candle moving down to retest the zone you're waiting for, you need to see another 2 candle formation to give you insight that we are still holding on the pressure, that this is just a pullback. So we have this very beautiful push up again, and you see how it closed above, taking the whole pressure on here. Now we are in the buying side, but I can't enter here immediately. I need to use my signs to do what? To minimize the risk, to have more risk to the reward. The only thing I need to do is to invite my Fibonacci tools. I just place it on this week, take it up here. So the setting of the Fib tools is very simple. Check my settings if you want to use that. That's how I set my Fib. Then my entry will be on 0.5, but I'll mark here at the zone. I'll be taking my entry. So here is my entry. I'll be going for buy. Long position here. This zone, set my stop loss below this. Then target 1:2. Then I will look left. Is there any zone for me to target? No zone. All I need to do is just to target 1:2 and go my way for the rest of the day. So let's see how this work out. Let's see if we win on 24th. So our pending order has been triggered. You don't need to panic because you are risking 1% to gain 2. Yesterday you win, you won. Today, if you lose tomorrow, you will gain. It's just a marathon journey. You don't need to make the whole money in just a single day. But trust me, this very 1 minute scalping strategy will give you everything you want. So let's see how it works. And remember, the only thing I do here, I close 50% of my position, whatever I'm in the winning side, if I want to be conservative. But for me, I don't move to break even in this very strategy. Don't use break even, please. Boom. My take profit has been hit. This is simple, and I don't think there's nobody in this industry who can't implement this and start making money. I don't, absolutely nobody. So I don't think I will give more example. If you have question, comment below, and I will like to take it slowly with anybody who wants to use this strategy. I try my possible best to explain better, give examples, but let me give one more example before I end this video. Okay, let's pay attention. This is the last example. So this is 9:30 opening candle. We do what? We mark out our highs and low. This is the high and this is the low. You move down to 1 minute time frame to find breakout with good displacement. So let's see what happens. There's no breakout yet. Keep on moving. Now, once it's 11 o'clock, where's our 11 o'clock? Once it's 11 o'clock, if you don't find entry, you stop trading. So we move up, we break out the highs. Is there any good displacement? No good displacement. We keep moving. So now we want to see, move back inside the range. Is there any good displacement? Very good. We have very nice displacement, but we are closer to 11 o'clock AM, the closure of our trading time. If we find entry here, I don't think I will take the trade, but let's see what will happen. The other thing we are looking for here now, we want to see a pullback, give us engulfing bar, pin bar, we take the trade, but we are almost out of timing. So let's see what happens. Beautiful. So we don't have any trade in this last example. Okay, you see, we don't have entry, and this is the last example I will give. So get there and back test for yourself. Do your own back testing. Jot down things you observe. If you're confused, don't not hesitate to comment. Once you comment, I see that I will reply to you. If something that I will do another video to give numerous examples for better clarity, just to help you guys, I can equally do that. So thank you and good luck.